English activities with Baby Shark Tank. At Kingdom Baby Shark Tank children learn English through fun, interactive activities with songs, pictures, and hands-on games. Actual learning activities. Shamy excitedly joins word games, repeats new words like apple and dog with a cute voice, learning while having fun. Rubi participates in mini-games, matches pictures and names in English correctly, smiling brightly. Masy listens attentively